Prove that 4m divided by 3 minus 3n divided by 4 whole square plus 2mn is equal to 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. Answer: take here LHS. LHS is here 4m by 3 minus 3n by 4 whole square plus 2mn is LHS. Now here a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab is the formula. Therefore here a value is 4m by 3 and b value is 3n by 4. This equal to a square. A is 4m by 3 whole square plus b square. B is 3n by 4 whole square minus 2a. A is 4m by 3 into b. B is 3n by 4. Now 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9 m square plus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 n square minus here 3 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled, 2mn minus 2mn plus 2mn. Here also plus 2mn. This equal to minus 2mn plus 2mn gets cancelled. 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16 n square equal to RHS, right hand side.